Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasa if you're new here. If you're not new, then you know that I've been MIA for the past 2 weeks. But back into the video, these are the earrings that I'm wearing in this video. And surprise, surprise, they're going to be on my website that I'll be launching on August 15th for jewelry, Afrocentric jewelry. So definitely check it out. I'm going to leave it linked down below. But getting back into the video, I'm sorry I've been MIA. If you're not new, you know that I was doing an after degree diploma in digital marketing, and basically the last 2 weeks was sort of like the end of the course and we had a lot of things to do, so I just focused my mind on that. So that's what I've been doing for the past 2 weeks. Your girl has graduated, so that's exciting, and I actually just noticed that we hit 20K as well, so giveaway coming up soon for 20K subscribers. So that's exciting. I'm really excited and I'm thankful for those of you who've been patient with me. I'm back. We're definitely going to be having a new video on Wednesdays and Saturday again. So please make sure you like and leave a comment down below. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys and thank you for being patient with me. So I took your advice from those people who told me to start the website, and I'm finally doing it. So this in the video, what I'm showing you guys right now is the Shine and Jam gel. So the one that I was using is over, and I went and bought one from Dark and Lovely instead. People ask me this all the time. You don't have to use the same brand that I use. If you just Google search Shine and Jam conditioning gel, you will see so many other brands that carry the same thing. You don't have to use the same brand that I'm using. And maybe your local supplier does not have the brand that I have, but they probably have the other brands. So maybe Google search before you go to the supply store and then find it after you've Google searched it. So I'm doing some loose flat twists for your Zoom meetings. Like, I know one thing that I was struggling with for all my Zoom meetings is really like, how do I style my hair in the morning as quickly as possible? And this text lasts like very less than 10 minutes. You can probably even do it like in the first 10 minutes of the meetings, like just turn your camera off and do it. But as you can see, this was quite loose. Let me show you how I did the second one. You will laugh at me, but I feel like this always happens to me, but just watch and see what happens. But yeah, so getting back into the business. Well, we're talking about so many different things in this video, but getting back into the business. So some of you even sent me emails, like seriously guys, you sent me emails like saying that I should start selling jewelry or like earrings, and I love Afrocentric jewelry. You guys already know that. And so because a lot of you keep hounding me about it, I decided to do it. So I'm really looking forward to launching the website. The website's name is Cultural Mashup, and I'm going to leave it linked down below if you want to check it out and just enter your email so that I will notify you when I launch. I haven't launched yet. I'm waiting for August 15th because it's a special day for me. And then I will definitely send you guys an email if you do enter your email to be notified when I launch. But yeah, so that's what has been happening in the past 2 weeks, and sort of like why I've been a little bit of MIA, but it's mostly been because of school. So as you can see, I decided to redo this side again just because I figured, you know what, let's wear this hairstyle for like 4 or 5 days, and it's better if I do it tighter, then it's definitely going to last me longer. My hairstyles usually last me a long time because I do wear a bonnet when I go to sleep. So if your hairstyles don't usually last that long, try using a bonnet to go to sleep and see how long you can keep a hairstyle versus not wearing a bonnet when you go to sleep. But yeah, so I'm going to pin it on the side and I'm just fluffing it out a little bit, but I'm going to take a bobby pin and then I'll just pin the little tails at the back there just because I don't want them hanging out like the way they are hanging right now. And then I'm probably going to add a little bit of accessories at the end of it just because why not? But this is what it looks like without any accessories. As you can see, it looks nice and fluffy, and I really love that. And I like that it doesn't make my head look small because my head tends to look small, especially when I do like a pin-up hairstyle. And these are the earrings that I'm rocking, like I said at the beginning, and I'm going to have them on my website. I have like a different variations of them, like the different patterns on them, so definitely check it out. I mean, enter your email, girl, so that I'll notify you when I launch the website. I'm really excited about this journey. Like, if you're an entrepreneur and you have some tips for me, please leave them linked down below, like about shipping, packaging, labeling, all those things. Like, I've been obsessed learning about those things. If you guys want to hear about my little entrepreneurship journey, then let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see how I'm doing those things like labels, packaging, doing the website, let me know. I'll be happy to share the journey with you guys, because I want to win with you guys, and I want to, since we built the community, let's be a community. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to. I'm getting back into the rhythm of things. We're going to definitely have a video on Wednesday and on Saturday going forward. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. I will definitely see you on Saturday. Have a lovely, lovely week. Bye.